Hi, my name's Robert Owen. I'm the Executive Business Development Chef here at Creed Foodservice. We are an independent, family-run food wholesaler. We stock over 6,500 lines, ambient, chilled, our own butchery, our own fruit and vegetables, and we'll deliver to your door day one for day two. These are the 3 Maggi products for you to utilise in your recipes. The first one is the Maggi Rich and Rustic sauce. It's a fantastic labour-saving sauce. It's not just a tin of tomatoes, it's been reduced down, it's got garlic and onions and herbs, and is there for you to utilise in any of your dishes. Second product is the Maggi Original Gravy. It's Maggi's best-selling product. It's a classical gravy that you can utilise in your recipe however you seem fit. Simple to use, it comes in a powdered form where you have to mix the powder into a cold water paste and then add it to a hot application for it to thicken and for you to utilise to your desired consistency. The third product is the Maggi Coconut Milk Powder. This is a truly unique product in food service and in hospitality. This product is simple to use. It instantly hydrates into a liquid to give you coconut milk, or in a higher concentration, a coconut cream, or you can use it in its dry state into bakery applications, cakes, biscuits, whatever you want. For my recipe today, I'm going to be using the Maggi Rich and Rustic and the Maggi Coconut Milk Powder. I'm going to be making ayam masak merah. This is a classic Malaysian-inspired curry with coconut and tomato. So all the products for the paste are going to go in a blender. The nuts will give you a great consistency and a creamy texture on the mouth. We've added 2 tablespoons of dried chili flakes to some boiling water, and we're going to use that water to bring these all to a paste rather than just a dry blend. We need to blend this paste to a really smooth consistency. It's really important to cook this paste out. We've got the raw shallots, so we need to make sure they're cooked down, releasing their sugars, intensifying the sweetness. And we've got the garlic and the ginger where we just want to make sure all the flavours are marrying together, becoming a nice rounded aromatic paste. So my paste has been cooking down now, sort of 5-10 minutes, making sure I'm stirring so it's not catching on the bottom. Now it's time to add the Maggi Rich and Rustic. So we're just going to add a couple of spoonfuls in there. The sort of rich tomatoes are going to give the curry that nice acidity. Next step is to add a bit more liquid. Today I'm going to be using some chicken stock. All I'll have to do now is add the coconut milk powder. I can add it dry and it will instantly give me that coconut milk, coconut cream finish. I'm just going to add 2 heaped tablespoons to this. Adding the coconut milk powder, really easy, dissolves instantly into it and gives us that richness and colour that I was looking for in this curry sauce. We're going to finish this dish with some tamarind, lime juice, fish sauce, soy sauce, and the big hit of fresh coriander. So as you can see, I've plated this up in 2 different ways. One more aligned to the gastropub, and one which is more suitable for contract catering, the care sector and education. Using the Maggi products in my dishes has saved me time and ultimately delivered a fantastic flavour. Just remember to include 1 of your 5 a day. Use 2 out of the 3 products. Best of luck, and you never know, we might see you in the final.